What's something people don't know about knuckle cracking? It's way more interesting than you think. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually releasing gas bubbles from your joints. Here's how it works. Your joints are surrounded by a lubricant called synovial fluid. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create a negative pressure within the joint. This causes gases like nitrogen to form bubbles. And when those bubbles collapse, you hear that satisfying sound. Fun fact, contrary to popular belief, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. So, next time someone gives you a dirty look for cracking your knuckles, hit them with some science. Keep those joints happy and healthy. And don't forget to subscribe for more cool science facts.